This is a DIY project that we did for the girls right here. We got these mirrors from Family Dollars, and all we did was I ordered some string from Amazon and hot glued it on there, and this is how they look right there. So it's coming together, yeah. Let me say, my baby cleaned up room, yeah. But hey y'all. So Delia has her bed up. I'm about to comb Delia's hair, change her clothes because I think we're going bowling, y'all. So and I want to go and I want to go to the Dollar Tree because I've been seeing so many Dollar Tree hauls, y'all. I am so loving what God is blessing us with, and just how he's just showing us that we can do things with our home, you know, just to live comfortably. I just thank God. I give God all praise and glory. So yeah, hubby did the floors in the basement. I think he did a really good job. Y'all know we gotta take a picture because we took a picture last time. Yeah, so we just pulled up to the bowling alley. So we're about to get our bowl on. Yeah, we got to get our bowl. We've been bowling in a while, y'all. So I'm excited. I have no idea. Ooh. So yeah, we'll meet y'all. We'll meet y'all in there. There's people here. Alright, see? Well, we're supposed to sit over here. This our spot right here. They about to put on their shoes. Right, cause we got all family. So, look, yeah. We got a little movie up there, baby. No, babe. Your daddy gonna pick your ball. Your daddy don't curse early either. Yeah, so my people came in. My sister-in-law. So they bowling too. Okay, Raven. Let's store it. Baby steps. That's okay. Move back so I can get him. Oh, well. Right. What you get, Rashawn? You and Delisha got the same thing. Come on, Laura. Come on, Laura. Oh. You did it. Come on, Raven. Don't use the diapers. That's okay. Come on, baby. Oh, look at that. You couldn't get both. Right. I ain't get the right to go for. a piece of